Hey Panther friends, third and fourth grade. This is Mr. Downs live from my home. And I wanted to get this out to you because this is a challenge that I would like to see how many of you can complete the entire month. Basically, it's called the first day of fitness, so it gives you a fitness calendar. I'm going to call it the Family December Challenge, Fitness Challenge, according to you. It is not due until obviously the end of the month, but I just wanted to get you started on it just because it's going to get harder and harder as you move on through this challenge. So what you're going to have to do is when you pull up the Google calendar slide here, what you're doing is you're going to start obviously with, and if you want to start on today, it would be the 3rd, so you'd be doing these Donner steps. You can see the animation, you can kind of see how the exercise goes, and you're going to use the clock up in the right hand corner if it works. Otherwise it's for 10 seconds. All right, 10 seconds as hard as you can go, okay, for that particular one. And then you're going to have to do 10 seconds of the day before, the North Pole elbows to knees. And then you're going to have to do 10 seconds of the plank, okay? So you can see how this goes along each month. As you do each day, you have to do the days before, okay, with 10 seconds each. So if you do it for 10 seconds or 10 times each day, you will have over 5,000 repetitions or 5,000 seconds of repetition of exercise for the month of December. And I'll tell you what, that is going to be impressive. So keep me informed how you're doing. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, have a great December. Keep fit, keep warm, keep healthy, keep strong. Mind over matter. Have a great day.